Today we are going to take a look at some of the most amazing usable tools. So, without any further ado, let's get right into it. 7th tool. Trend or skate. Sixth tool, Armor Tool, Auto Adjust Dog Clamp. The Armor Auto Adjusting Dog Clamps can turn any bench into a high-efficiency workstation. Vertical pressure is applied by Armor's horizontal door. The Auto Adjust technology, in conjunction with the 7.5-inch post, allows the use to select the desired pressure and plant materials of heights up to 5.5 inches above the table surface. And you can use that rubber fitting to reduce marking on any delicate pieces. With the inline dog clamp and accompanying fences, you can apply horizontal pressure up to 550 pounds. Outfitted with the same auto adjust technology. The inline clamp features a push bar that's adjustable up to 3.5 inches before engaging the one-handed clap. The pressure will always stay the same, even after disengaging and adjusting the bar. The clamp also features a non-mooring foot that provides firm holding pressure and complete marks on your project. 5th tool. Aven Mighty View Pro. The Mighty View Pro is in a class by itself. Controlling the intensity and tone of his 60s surface mode LEDs through micro touch switch technology, it provides each user unprecedented lighting options. The 60 LEDs provide a maximum of 1100 lumens and color temperature range of 6500K to 3500K, allowing different combinations of light and tone that serve to reduce eye strain and enhance performance. New, also in the redesigned Mighty View Pro, is a fully enclosed spring-balanced arm. Designed to reduce pinch hazards associated with open spring arms. The enclosed arm provides an extra level of safety in preventing catastrophic injury. The spring-balanced arm ensures the lamp head will stay in the position you set it. Maintaining the Mighty View tradition of a rectangular lens, the XL5 utilizes a slightly larger glass magnifier, but with the same crystal clear distortion-free viewing and 5 diopter, 2.25 times magnification of its predecessors. The quality glass lens provides clear, true imaging under shadow-free illumination. The redesigned head of the XL5 incorporates a reach-through handle designed to enhance ease of positioning and efficiency of movement. 4th tool, HMT versadrive drill taps. Third tool, Roughneck Gorilla Blockbuster.
What they did, they tried to get over that problem, bringing in the mushroom to protect your hand when cutting it. But a lot of bricklayers don't like using them because when you cut the block and follow that through, this bit of plastic comes down and hits you on the back of the hand. The Blockbuster bolster. We've got a 230mm blade, which is the depth of your block, striking point on the top, but just as important is the handle on the side. So your striking point is on the top of the bolster and your hand is over well out the way. We've also introduced 100mm lines. Offer your bolster up to your mark, spin the bolster round, cut the block. Eliminates the use of a tape. Also used on your gables, your cut-ups on your gables, your angled cuts, straight through. The block buster is not only good for cutting blocks with, you can also cut bricks with it. There you go, nice straight cut. Blockbuster bolster, a lot quicker, a lot more accurate and a lot safer.
Second tool. Trend Fast Track Sharpener.
The modular and adaptable 900mm Pro kitchen worktop jig, fast and flawless worktop joints for the latest kitchen styles using the newest materials. Standard and non-standard worktop widths, modular and collapsible. Kitchen styles are changing, and with this change comes new worktop materials such as hardwood, laminate, composite materials and compact laminate. New design fashions such as handleless doors mean the overhangs are getting shorter, worktops are getting slimmer and corners and edges are getting more square. Accurate measurement is key to perfect worktop installation. Often the only practical place to measure from is the front edge. The 900mm Pro overcomes all these challenges. For faultless worktop fitting, the Easy Set window is key to the 900mm Pro. Now you can measure from the front edge of any worktop. Just select the correct inset cut depth. This can be 3, 5, 10, 24 or 35mm, and it's simple to set up from the front edge. Just attach the cams, push up to the front edge, align the mark, and you're all set. A 3mm inset can be cut in one pass, saving time, preserving both router and cutter life. Continuous cutting of worktops from 150 to 900mm. The low profile clamping slots are specially designed to attach track saw guide clamps easily and securely and give clearance to the movement of the router. 4 open-ended bolt recesses are perfect for standard 150mm, short 65mm and even slim bolts used for compact laminate. The 900mm Pro can be used as separate smaller jigs for bolt recesses, cabinet hinges and mixer taps. Fast and secure assembly to give strong, reliable and precise joints. If the space is too small, use a more compact configuration. Or for bolt recesses, cabinet hinges and mixer taps, just take the section you need to the work area.